Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix packet burst. So the first thing, you need to make sure that your CPU is not overloaded. So go to settings, go to graphics, go to quality, first display, then select full screen exclusive or other that allows to change refresh rate, right? So let's select full screen exclusive and set cap to your FPS. My monitor holds to 40, so I can cap it here, but you can choose whatever you like here. First of all, cap FPS, and then the next thing here, apply changes, of course. Go to quality, and then make sure to set everything on minimum, right? Set everything on minimum. And the next step, what you need to do here, once you here, packet burst also is caused by VRAM scale target. So if you set at 90, it's way too high. So what you need to do here, for example, it's completely up to your computer, but I believe the middle is 60. So what you need to do here, make it to 60 and apply the settings, because as you can see here, when experiencing hitches, consider closing other unused applications or lowering the setting target. So if, for example, Google Chrome opened up on your computer, try to close basically, if there is possibility, close all the apps that uses your internet, and also VRAM scale target, make it to not max, but maybe 50, 60, 70, 80, something along these lines. Just test it out. And of course, on your display, cap your FPS, and then make not overload your CPU. So make your basically graphics low, and then look if you're getting packet burst or not. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.